At a time when the third wave of COVID is raging in the country, our netas are busy flouting basic rules of COVID containment. Take a look at DK Shivakumar now. This is DK Shivakumar, Congress Chief of Karnataka. Shameful, shameful. Just take a look at these visuals. In these images, he can be seen coughing, sneezing at a Padyatra. Where is his mask? Where is the mask of people around him, with hundreds literally around him? In these images, he can be seen not wearing a mask. Social distancing is not followed. A fuming BJP has now launched a scathing attack on the Congress, especially DK Shivakumar, including a Tablighi jibe at Congress state chief. The BJP accused Congress of putting lives and thousands of lives at risk. Nolan Pinto is now joining us for the latest. Nolan, what's going on? How can he be surrounded by so many people when the third wave is here, conducting a Padyatra, coughing, sneezing away, with so many people around him, none of them wearing masks, nobody following social distancing, and the Congress top command has not broken its silence as far as this incident is concerned?
Well, Sheti, as of now, the Congress, it's unfortunate, but the Congress has lost its moral stand to actually comment on any issues because of what DK Shivakumar is doing right here in Karnataka. When we asked him this question, in fact, when many of them asked the question, why couldn't you postpone this, knowing the surge in COVID-19 cases and Omicron and so on and so forth, he says he is fighting for the right for people to have water in Bengaluru. This is what his response. But as of now, the BJP says that you can clearly see him over there, coughing, sneezing. He's not wearing a mask. In fact, the Home Minister last evening also claimed, according to his sources, that there are many people in that particular Padayatra who are taking part in that Padayatra who are already infected, who do not want to get themselves tested, who have the symptoms and are still continuing with that particular Padayatra. The problem is this, it's not thousands. All those thousands are going to go back to their family members and spread it to them. Those family members are going to spread it to their neighbors. So you see this chain reaction which is taking place just because of this Padayatra. So this is the nightmarish situation that is actually taking place over there. But also citizens are asking, why is the Bommai government not willing to crack this down? Why are they not willing to stop this Padayatra? Because they're just allowing DK Shivakumar, they're only making statements. 2 FIRs have been registered against DK Shivakumar, Siddaramaiah and the others, but the government is not willing to stop them. So a lot of questions being asked by the citizens. Why is the Congress going ahead with this? And why is the Bommai-led government not taking any serious action? And why is it that action is only taken against citizens when they come out for an emergency purpose?
You know, we'll come back to those visuals and show you the conduct of this Neta and question the Bommai government on why they are not taking action against DK Shivakumar and the Congress High Command, especially. He belongs to the Congress party. Why is the High Command not taking any action against this man as well? Karnataka Netas are mocking COVID norms with potential super spreader events. DK Shivakumar continues with mega Padyatra, and 2 more BJP leaders were seen flouting COVID norms. We'll bring all of that to you in just about a bit. But first, listen into a reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
ಅವರೇ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಅವರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಂತ ಅನೇಕ ಲೀಡರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸದೇ ಇದ್ದವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಡದಿದ್ದವರು ನೂರಾರು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
Karnataka Netas are mocking COVID norms with potential